Hey everyone, it's Kelly, the Frugal Fun Mum. Welcome to the channel and today's video where yes, we're back in the kitchen to clean. These videos have been doing well on my channel, maybe because I speed everything up and it makes us believe that within 5 minutes we can clean this entire monstrosity of a mess. So I'm here to help motivate you guys and hopefully get you in the kitchen cleaning up as well. So yes, so this kind of started Monday night after we had been meal prepping, baking and butter making, as well as getting some meals made for that night, and then generally just doing lots of other bits and pieces. I had already pre-packed half of the dishwasher, so I'm just filling the rest of it up. And then of course I need to clean the rest myself by hand. So here I'm just pulling out the filters and some of the catchment areas of the dishwasher, and I wash these at least once a week. I try and wipe down some of the other seals and areas that are in it. I'm not sure how often you're meant to do it, but when I see that it's dirty, I just clean it. So I try and keep on top of this because I want a dishwasher to last as long as possible. And then also I like cleaning it because then it looks clean, so why not? Editing this footage makes me laugh because I record on a time lapse, so the camera automatically compacts down the time. So this whole kitchen cleaning probably took me about 40 minutes and all I have is about 12 seconds worth of footage. So it's why I do hit record, because then the shorter sections give me a little bit better footage. So I move the camera around so I can try and at least get 5 minutes worth of motivation cleaning for you guys. I've got some oil here that we fried some chips in as a bit of an experiment. It worked really well, so I think I'll do that in the future. We don't cook a lot of stuff in oil, so I just keep the oil in a separate little container here, and I'll keep that in the cupboard for a future time. Alright, I'm going to do some mopping. I've dropped a whole lot of stuff down the front of the cupboards. I just used the mop to clean the front of them. The mop head is cleaned in between each floor wash that I do, and then I'm just going to mop the floor because we have some spills and other things that are here. I still haven't managed to get someone in here to give us a quote for the floor replacements. I really need to do that. I'm just not here long enough or available to have someone come and do the footage. So after Monday night, our kitchen looks like this. We still have the dump pile area, but of course I'm air drying the dishes because everybody tells me that's acceptable. And then the rest of the area is pretty clean, so I'm super happy with that. We're here Tuesday night and I've had such a busy day. I haven't really had much time to put anything away, but I need to get dinner organized, so I'm basically just cleaning just enough space so I can get a little bit of bench space so I can organize dinner. It might not be very exciting, but I am also super pumped for time, so I'm clearing the space that I can and I need, and I'll deal with the rest later. So it's the next day. I never got back to the kitchen Tuesday night after I got home, so that's life. That's why I share. It's real. Welcome to the Really Real show. So as you can see, the dishes are still air drying, so because you got to make sure they're really, really clean, right? So they're super dry now, so I'm going to put those away as well as all the other things from the dishwasher. There are a pile of dishes that did not wash properly for some really weird reason, so I'm going to put those through again and then rinse a couple other dishes and put them in. And I've got just a couple of dishes left to do by hand, so I'm going to do those. and then wipe over the benches and get everything back to basics ready for meal tonight, which I have no idea what's for dinner. So, you know, what's new? The last load of the dishwasher, and I'll put that on as I do some other things around the house. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.